Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Student, this is a topic I'm going to discuss. One of the most important topics is three terms factorization. So, what is method to solve these kind of questions? So, job number one, you will multiply first term with the last term. So, it means including signs. So, what is sign here? Plus, here plus. So, plus into plus, plus 5 2s are 10 x squared. So I get this. Now this number, take it and find all possible factors. So let's see, 10 ones are 10, 5 2s are 10. No need to write 2 into 5 because this and this same. So I think clear. Now which pair add or subtract give you the middle number? Like 5 plus 2, if I add these two numbers, okay, I get 7. If I subtract two numbers, I get 3. They are not matching. But if I add this number, I get 11. If I subtract, I get 9. So 11 matching. So this is flopped. This is okay. So I have to find 10 and 1. So get 11. And you know it very well. If I write both signs are negative, will give us negative 11. But if both signs are positive, will give us positive 11. Because same signs we add, but what signs the both, we write the same as it is. And what is a variable beside of it? X. So we write here X, X. I hope so got my point. But again, this negative X not required, so this flopped. Okay, I hope so got the idea. So this is working. Now check it that if you multiply these two, do I get this answer? Check. Plus into plus, plus 10 into 1, 10, x times 2x, x squared. So it means we're looking for such a pair of values which add or subtract, give the middle number. And if you multiply them, give you this answer, which come from the product of first and last term. So I hope so clear. Now this term copy and this term copy without any change. Now these two values write in any order. Any order means write 10x before and 1x later or reverse. So I can write any order. All right. Now, these two terms, what is common out? Here some students getting issues. They're not so convenient. They're not so confident with this topic. So you can do it here, rough work. Look, this is a way if you're getting confused. So what is common from here? X and x squared. X squared means two x's. So one x gone. So from here, one gone. So one x left behind. And I can say that 2x left. X gone. So 10 left only. Now from here, table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. And this, look at here, this is common and this left behind. So I'm writing it here for these two values. 2x common and x plus 5. And after this, what is common from here? Nothing. And nothing means 1 is compulsory and plus 1. So it means x plus 5. So if they, because 1 5s are 5, 1 into 1, 1. So it makes same. So if the bracket values totally match, it means we are doing correct answer. So in this circle and in this circle, what is a common part? X plus 5, x plus 5. If I take x plus 5 common out, what left behind? This gone, this gone. So this and this left behind. So I'm writing here 2x plus 1. And this is our final answer. And I believe you got a point. And you have to try now two questions I'm going to allot. So try these two questions and I'm keep the showing the previous part even. You can take a help from there. So these two questions you have to try now. Make sure multiply first and last, multiply first and last. And then you can try to do it and find out the possible factors. So take your time and pause the video, and when you will finish, then you can play and check your answer with my answer. Yes, students, I believe you tried okay. And now let's see how I do this question. Can compare your answer with my answer. First of all, multiply first and last term. Or you can say that, first of all, copy first and last term without any change. This and this copy. Even you can do it here even, first term and last term copy without any change. Okay. Now check it. What is product of these two? So plus into plus plus, 3 to the 6. So I get a plus 6x to power 2. Same approach, 12 to the 24. I get plus 34x to power 2. Now after this, we will check it. What are the possible factors of 6? So 6 we can write two ways, 6 ones are 6 and 3 twos are 6. Which pair, add or subtract, give you 5? Both giving 5. How come? Look, see, if I use the upper one, 6 and 1, if I mean to say, subtract them, I get a 5. Bigger number positive, smaller number negative, and x I'm writing here. So if I solve them, I get 5x positive, which matching with the middle one. Second option, I take 3, 2. So both are positive, plus 3x plus 2x will give us plus 5x. It's matching. But any one pair is correct and one pair is wrong. If you multiply these two values, do you get this answer? Check. Last time to minus give you minus, which is not matching. So this flopped. And now check, plus into plus is plus. 3 twos are 6. X time to x give you x square. So this is okay. Now I will copy these two values in any order. Better to write similar together. So I'm writing here 2x and I write here 3x. But if you change the order, even no effect will come. Now from these two values, what is common? I think this is not a hard job for you. You can take common out, but still, if you don't know, I do for you. So x and x square, what is common? Here's x square means two x's are there. One x gone, so 2x left. And from x gone, so only 2 left. Now 2 common, so this 2 gone, this 2 gone. So I've got an x and must write 1. So 2x common from these two terms. What left in the bracket? X and 1. And sign is a plus, so x plus 1 left. You can see even 2x into x will give you 2x square, and 2x into 1 give you 2x. From here, what is common is very visible, 3 common only. So x plus 1 left behind. See, if they match, it means we're doing correct. If I take x plus 1 common out in this circle and this circle, this gone, what left? 2x and plus 3 left. I hope so. The point is clear. So this is my final answer. And let's go for next. So in this situation, 12 to the 24, as I wrote, 24, many ways are 24, 24 into 1, 6 fours are 24, 8 threes are 24, and 12 twos are 24. But which pair is giving you 11 by adding or by subtracting? If I add these two, I get 25, so not matching. Even subtract, I get 23, not matching. These two value, if I add these two values, 6 plus 4, 10, not matching. If I subtract, I get 2, not matching. So it means this flopped, even this flopped. This works only. Reason 8 plus 3 give you 11. So I'm writing here plus 8 plus 3, I get plus 11x. If I take negative x, negative a, negative 3, I get negative x. This is not required. I need plus. Sorry, I need this plus. And now check it. If you multiply, do I get this answer? Check. Plus times to plus give you plus. 8 times to 3 give you 24. And x times to x give you x squared. And these two values I copy in any order, but better to 8 write with 2 because something common is there. So I write 8x and plus 3x. Now from here, what is common? If you are not convenient, so do like this. So x and x squared. So x squared means 2x is x gone. So 2x left and 8 left because this x gone out of 2x, 1 gone and 1x left behind. So now from here, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So I get an x and 4. So 2x common from here. So I'm writing here 2x. And what left in the bracket, these two values with a plus sign. So x plus 4. And what is common from his students? The 3 common, very clear. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. So do they match? Exactly match. So we take it common out, x plus 4. So if this gone and this gone, what left? 2x and plus 3 left. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I hope so. You understanding it well. And now I'm giving you question number 3 and question number 4. So question number 3 and 4, I think so. Now we have to take some tough. Okay. And let me check. So 3x to the power 2 plus 8x plus 4. And one more question. We can take it. Okay, I think take little harder one. Okay, and that is 16x to the power 2 and plus 19x plus 3. Little tough. Anyway, first you try and please pause the video. And when you finish, then play again and then compare your answer with my answer. Yes, student, I hope so. You took a reasonable time. I'm starting now. Get ready. So job number 1, this 3x square and last term copy without a change. Same here, 16x to power 2 plus 3 copy without any change. And I multiply these two values, I get plus 4, 3 is a 12. I get 12x to power 2 positive. And what situation here? I get 16 into 3 plus 48x to power 2. Okay. Now, how many possible ways to get 12? 12 ones are 12, 6 twos are 12, 4 threes are 12. Which pair, which add or subtract give you 8? So naturally, 12, but if I add them, I get 13, subtract, I get 11. Not 13, not 11, flopped. 4 plus 3, 7, 4 minus 3, 1. So not 7, not 1, flopped. So it means these two flopped, and this is our answer. Now 12, 6, and 2. So naturally, 6 and 2, we have a one method only. Both signs are positive, I get 8. And if I multiply, I must get this answer. Check it. Plus into plus is plus. 6 twos are 12. And x times to x give you x squared. So these two values I'm writing in any order, but better to write similar, which can possibly be common out. So from here, what is common? I think table of 3. So now I hope so you're a little familiar. 3x common. So if you're not familiar, I help here. X gone. So 3x left and 6. Reason 1x gone from here and 1x gone from here. So this, I think, clear plan. Now the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are. So 3x common out and x and 2 left with a plus sign. So x plus 2. And from here, what is common? Very simple. Simple 2 common. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Do they match? Yes. It means we are doing correct. So if this gone and this gone out, what left? This and this left. So I'm writing here 3x plus 2. This is our final answer. Let's go for next question. If we talk about next question, is little tough 48. 48, you can use your calculator, okay, or I have another choice, okay. Use calculator, divide by 2, 48 divided by 2, you get it here. When you divide by 2, so 24 and 2, it means 24 into 2. Because when you 48 divided by 2, you got out 24. So 24 and 2 is your factor. Same way, if 48 divided by 3, you get 16. So 16 from here and 3 from here. And I believe you understanding what I'm saying. 16 threes are 48. Then 48 divided by 4, you get a 12. So 12 into 4 is our, I think you're getting what I'm saying. So same way we can find most possible factors. And I think so. What is other way to get it? Wait a minute. I give you all possible ways. And if table of 6, yes, 8, 6 are 48. Okay. And I think so is enough. And yes, now check it. If we add, subtract, I get 626, subtracting 22, not matching. So 16 plus 3, 19, yes, matching. So only this is a flopped, flopped, flopped. It works. So 16 and 3, 16 and 3. So 16x plus 3x, if I take the positive signs, I get 19x. So I hope so idea is clear. I'm writing in any order, but I think 16 before, 3 later is better approach. From here, 16 is common, and our x and x squared. So 16 and x common, out of 2 x's, 1x gone, 1x left is totally gone outside, so nothing means 1. From here, 3 common, I get 3 and x plus 1 left behind. And if they match, it means we are doing correct. So take x plus 1 common. So this and this part left behind. So I get 16x plus 3. So I believe this is also clear. Now I'm going to do some question number 5 and 6, a new, little bit different. So get ready, students. Now I'm going to do with a different signs, like all done positive signs. Now I'm going to do negative sign person. Okay, one question enough, and one question I will give you to solve. Okay, first of all, as usual, multiply first and last and copy them. Copy them. This rule will fix. So, right. Now multiply including signs. So here negative sign, here positive. I get negative 30 x2 forward 2. The product of first and last term. How to get 30, students? There are many ways. 30 into 130. If you're not confident, so 30 divided by 2, we got up 15. So 15 into 2. If you divide 30 divided by 3, it gives you 10. So 10 into 3. 30 divided by 3, 5, it gives you 6. So 6 5s are 30. And I believe you understand. You can type in calculator in no time and get the possible factors. Now, students, which is a pair suitable to give you single, this minus 1x, 1. So minus 1. There's a flopped, this flopped, this flopped, this flopped. It works. How it works? Because 6, if I take it here, 6x and 5x. And here, here I take a negative and you take a positive. If you have a different signs, if your different signs are there, we always subtract. Out of 6, 5 gone, 1x left, and bigger sign is negative will come down. So negative. So this is matching with that. So I hope so you understood well why I took this kind of pair. You copy like this, okay, students, or you can copy this different places, even no issue at all. Okay, and I think so, both no problem at all. Okay, and if I take the other way around, this may be some easy for you, but no effect will come. I'm writing positive before negative later. It may help you solving a question. From here, what is common? Numbers are not common on common table, only x common. I take x common, if out of 2x is 1x gone, so 2x left. This x gone, so what left? Only 5 left. Now from here, what is common left? First of all, 6x, comma 15. Table of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. See, they match. So 3 common, I'm writing in the bracket 2x and 5. Important part left only sign. Look at here, I'm looking for, these two signs are very, very important. I repeat my words. I have to show in a blue color. These two signs are very, very important. If these two signs are different, here plus, here minus, if they are different, I repeat my words, different, then I'm bound to take outside negative common. This negative will come only if these signs are different. And if these signs are same, then here plus will come. I hope so. This rule is very, very important for you. Okay, so if I take a negative common, so when you take a negative common, so this negative become positive, this negative become positive. And check, do they match? Yes, match. So when I take 2x plus 5 common, students, this gone, x minus 3 left. And that's it. I hope so. You got a point clear. Now do one thing, try this question yourself. Then we'll do 2 more questions. So please pause the video and play when you will finish. Yes, students, I hope so. You have taken a reasonable time and you practice. Okay. Now I'm multiplying these two values. Use your calculator. Negative into positive give you negative for sure. 21 into 2 give you 42. Next square. Now, how many possible ways to get 42? If you don't know, 42 and 1 is for sure. Now, 42 divided by 2, we get here 21. So 21 into 2. So I'm writing here 21 into 2. Now, 42 divided by 3, I think yes, 3. So 3 ones are 3, 4s are 14 and into 3. Yeah. Now 42 divided by 4, not possible. We're not getting whole number. With a 5, no whole number. With a 6, we get a 7. So 7, 6 are 42. Or 6, 7 are 42. And if you subtract them, you get a 1. It means this is working. So this last one is working. So now, I hope so you're understanding what is going on. So 7 and 6, 7, 6, I have 2 ways. One positive, negative, negative, positive. Bigger number negative, I get negative 1. Bigger number positive, I get a positive 1. And x, x, x. So I hope so clear. But this I need, this I don't want. So this flopped, I think got idea. So I'm copying first term without change, last term without change. These two values copy any order. Okay, this time I am writing I'm writing here, as I said, you will take a plus value before minus later. But no effect, you can change the other way even. What is common from here? No number is divisible, like though they cannot divide one common table. So x common only. If I take x common, students, so out of 2x square, 1x gone, so 2x left. This x gone, so 7 left only. And from here, it is, if you don't know, let's try this way. Both these numbers are divisible table of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7 are 21. And do they match? Yes. So now interesting part. 3 common now. I wrote 2 and 7. The thing is, are these signs are same or not same? They are different. If they're different, so I'm bound to take negative common outside. If I take negative common outside, this negative become positive and this negative become positive. I believe idea is clear. And do they match? Yes. So this is my final answer. So I believe this point is clear. Now we'll try two more questions, and question number 8, 7, and 8. So you should try these two questions more, students. I believe gradually you are understanding the concept. And let's take, yeah, 3x to power 2 minus 11x plus 6. And then I will give you um, 3y to power 2 minus 11y and plus 10. Okay, I hope so. You can try these two questions. Okay, so please pause the video, students. And when you will finish, then you can play and compare your working with mine. Yes, students, I hope so. You took a reasonable time, and now, as usual, so copy first and term as it is without any change. Now 6 into 3, I get 18. How many ways to get 18? 18 one time 18. If 9 twos are 18 and 6 threes are 18. But which pair add or subtract give you 11? So naturally the 11, the middle one, 9 plus 2 give you 11. But you know, plus 9 plus 2 will give you plus 11. Minus 9 minus 2 give you minus 11. But I'm looking for minus, so this is okay. And this is not okay. So this not. So these two values I'm writing in any order. Now both are negative. Now I can't say write first in positive. Okay, you can write in any order. Now from here, what is common? You can see that if you are, I think this is not a hard job. Now x common, so 3x left, and x common 9 left. 3 common, x and 3 left. So this is common. And this left behind with a negative sign in the middle. Now from here, take 2 common only, and I get x and 3y, 2 ones are 2x and 2x, and 2 3 are 6. But again, you see, is these signs match or not match? No match. If no match, I must take negative common here. So if you take negative common, this negative becomes positive, and this positive becomes negative. Do they match? Yes. I hope so. You are gradually understanding now. Now let's go for question number 8. Job number 1, multiply. I get 30y to power 2 positive. Now check. 30 into 130, 10 threes are 30, and I think so 36 fives are 30. We have another even 15 to the 30. But 6 and 5, you get it 11. And two ways, but I think so now you're familiar. I'm looking for negative 11, so both signs are negative, will give you negative. And if you multiply them, do you get this answer? Yes. How come? Negative into negative plus. So 5, 6 are 30, and y into y squared. So first two terms, first and last term copy. And these two terms I'm copying in any order. So from here, now you understand table of 3 and y. I got a y minus 2 because 3 twos are 6. All right. Now, again, same thing. Are these signs are same or different? Different. If different, outside minus common. And 10 and 5 both are divisible on table of 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. And look, this minus become plus and plus becomes minus. And look at here, they match, just match. I hope so clear. Now I want to add one more concept here, which is very, very important. And for example, we have a same person, but equals to 0, equals to 0, equal to 0, equals to 0. If not equal to 0, then stop here. But if equal to 0, so one time this equal to 0, and one time this equals. We are bound to write like this. This 3 goes there, and sign will change. This is my final answer. Here 2 will go there, become positive 2. and this 3 will divide. I hope so you got the idea, and get ready for 2 more and last 2 questions of this recording, 9 number and 10 number. I think so 10 it's practice as enough, okay, for your better understanding. Okay, let's take, 8x square minus 10x and minus 3 equals to 0. Let me check. Yeah, it is not there. And one more question I'm going to give you, that is a 12x to power 2 plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So please, student, take some time and try yourself, and please pause the video and play when you will finish. And then you compare your working with my work. Yes, students, let's start. I hope so you tried well. So job number 1, what you will do, students? So you will multiply first and last term. And before you copy, as usual, the same factor. We got negative 24x to power 2. How many ways to get 24? 24 into 124. If we divide 24 by 2, we got 12. 12 2s are 24. If we do 24 by 3, you got an 8. So 8 3s are 24. If we divide 24 with the 4, we got 6. So 6 4s are 24. Enough, I think so. And now which pair give you 10? 2 pairs giving us 10. Okay, let's see how we can handle this kind of question. 10. So this, sorry for that, 12 2 and 6 4. So I'll check both 12 2 and 6 4. But I'm looking for both time negative 10. So negative and positive will give you negative, and negative will give you negative. I hope so clear. Now let's see which is suitable answer, which is matching. Okay, if I multiply these two, I must get this answer. But minus plus, there's a minus, so there's a flop. So it means this not working. But if I multiply these two, I get this answer. Check. Plus into minus is minus. 12 2s are 24. X times 2x is x squared. So I will write this first values in any order. But as I get a plus, so I always take a plus before and negative later. But again, I say, this is not a, you can change the other even. So from here, what is common? It is a very clear 8x square and comma 2x. Table of x, 8x left and 2. Table of 2, 2 4s are and 2 1s are. So 2x common out. And I got a 4x and 1. 4x plus 1. So from here, 3 common, again see, are these signs same or different? Different signs. Different means negative 3, not positive 3. 3 something 12, 3 4s are 12. 3 something 3, so 3 1 time. And because I took negative common, so negative become positive and negative become positive. So look at here, they match. So it means this is a correct. So 4x plus 1 and this left, and 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Now what I will do, students, one by one, I will say, because this equal to 0, I will say this part equal to 0 and this part equal to 0, one by one. One goes there, become negative 1, and this 4 will divide. Similarly, 3 goes there, become positive 3, and 2 will divide. I hope so this part is very clear. Let's talk about last question of today. So first of all, first term and last term copy. So 12 5, it is giving us what here? 60. So negative 60. How to get 60? Many ways are there. So 60 into 160. Okay, 60 divided by 2, I got a 30. 30 into 260. So 60 divided by 3, we got a 20. 20 into 3. Okay, 60 divided by 4, we got a 15. So 15 into 4. Okay, And 60 divided by 5, I get 12. So 12 into 5. Okay, now I think so. Let's go for next 60 divided by 6. We got a 10. So 10, 6 are 60. I think now stop because 6 and this matching 4 is matching with that. So it means 6 and 10 it matching. So I think so we should try the last number. So let's see how we can finish our question. So 6, it means plus 10x and minus 4x minus 6x will give you plus 4x. So I'm writing in any order, but I write 10 before, positive before, negative later. But again, I say no, perfect comes. Both are divisible table of 2. So 2 common and x also. 2 something 12, 2 6 are 12. 2 something 10, so 2 5 are 10. Now check it. Now what is again I take, is something common? Nothing. Nothing means 1. But check again, the important thing, are these sign match? No match. No match means negative common, must. And this, what happened? This minus become plus and this minus becomes plus. Do they match? Yes. So one term, this 0, one term, other part equal to 0. So we get 6x plus 5 equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So I get this 5 goes there, minus 5 and 6 divides. 1 goes there, positive 1 and 2 divides. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I hope so clear idea. So the topic is clear. But wait a minute, I give you a task, you can try. Yes, student, this is a textbook page number, very clear, 88, David Winner textbook. You can see in the top. Okay, it's 88 page number. So I suggest as a teacher, if you try some questions from here, any first 10 questions or first 20 questions, if you like, okay, and check the answer from end of book, page 88. So it is a very good practice for you. Exercise number 28, the 5th edition of David Rayner. I hope so clear. And I think so the topic is very, very clear. So, and practice again, because you know, a practice make a difference only. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.